Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, viewers. Yeah, good morning, Africa, and good morning, the world. Yes, I'm here to congratulate Nigerians and congratulate Africans and congratulate the world for the achievement of Nigeria so far for the few days on looking into corruption. Yes, we understand that they did not make the investigation open for the public, open to the public. But the truth of the matter is there is something going wrong. Yes, there's something going wrong. Because what we are congratulating Nigerians is that at least if you look the issue now, you will see say now from the top they want to look into. Meaning the Justice Department went to start working. The Justice Department went to start working. In any country when the Justice Department is not working effectively, there is always a thing like corruption. There's always a thing like failure. So that is why it's good we should support them now. We should put more effort and congratulate them. They need the support from the citizens. They need the support from you the viewers. They need your support. The reason why I pass this message is because of this protest issue. I see that so many of our presenters are blaming them for the protest for this reason, why they didn't protest for this reason. But they fail to understand that, especially those guys in America, when Paramount News, I'll be one of your biggest fans and they support you a lot. But I want to make you understand something here. Personally, I know they get beef with you. I just want to express something, give you here. Me, I be Delta, you na Delta. Personally, you know that little thing where those people do for them go draw attention from so many international communities. Like going to embassy there to protest at all. It's a very big thing to me, to my own opinion. I don't know for other people. But what I'm trying to say is that at least going there to show that, yeah, we are Nigerians and we are showing concern and we want you people to do something about corruption. This thing is too much. Now that this guy is involved, let's use this opportunity to look at, because you know why I'm saying this thing, eh? Let me tell you, my brothers and sisters. You see corruption, eh? Let me tell you something. Because people take corruption like a joke. Let me tell you, the corruption is one of the highest crime in the world. Don't forget that corruption is the one that costing all the murders. You see all these people that die in the Mediterranean Sea going to Europe. Corruption is costing that thing. Because if our economy is good, I don't see the reason why person should risk his or her life to enter inside such high sea going to Europe. Because you know what we talk about, eh? It's time for us to start protesting. It's time for us to say, no, guy, this enough is enough. It's too much. Let me tell you something. If you see most of our youth today, from my side, from other people's side, so many people, they commit a lot of crime because of which corruption they cause. Our leaders are not giving the citizen hope. They are not giving them hope. If you look at Nigeria institution, if you look at Nigeria education level, you will be discouraged to study. If you go to China, if you go to China, see schools, see what they do with computer. Because every day, if we keep telling people that we are not what people think we are. People think that black are dumb. People think black are not smart. People think black cannot do anything. That is not true, my brothers and sisters. I tell you the truth, the government, they cause all this problem. Whichever way when you go take protest, try your possible best to protest. Try your possible best to protest. Papa, one thing that is causing this problem is political godfathers, political leaders, people that take politics as a career. They call them political careers. You know why we complain these things? Eh? If we protest, the same politicians will still use police and army to intimidate the same people when they the same level with them. Because this message again now, I'm changing it now to talk to police and army this time around. This is not the time to argue. You no go there tell me say you do okay, why you don't do okay. Nigerians is facing the same situation. Africans is facing the same situation. All Africans are facing the same situation. All the black man in the world is facing the same situation. We are facing the same situation. This is not about richness. Now, no matter how much rich you are, no matter how much you have in bank account, you are still a plastic. Well, am I lying? What can we boast of? What can we boast of as a black list? What can we boast? We don't have any single industry. What are we producing? What are we producing? What are we producing? We must start protesting now. Let's use this power of social media. Let's use the power of technology to do something. Body is willing to work. Sometimes, you know why we should protest? Can I tell you people a few reasons why we should protest, children of God? The reason why we should protest is that sometimes we think that the president is the problem. The president is not the problem. It might be the minister. Or it might not be the minister. It might be the one working under the minister. Because you know what I'm telling you? Listen, let me count them now. Let me tell you how the thing work. Police, they take bribe. If they give Oga, they give Oga, they give Oga. So the president itself will even take bribe for himself. You can imagine. You can imagine. These are the areas we are talking about here. We should protest. Listen, there's power of technology now. There's power of social media. We send the message across. Let international communities know what is happening. It will look as if Buhari is not trying. I want people to pay attention and raise a few things. Obviously, Buhari is a criminal. He can do anything. Obviously, you don't go there empty. Especially this kind of politician where we get in Nigeria. Everybody go there to go hustle. But let's look at about NDDC. Under this coronavirus issue, when everybody they struggle. I don't know what is wrong with our people. I don't know the meaning of this self-hate. I don't know why they hate their fellow human being to see them struggle. And the funniest thing that those people that stealing their money, they still carry the if you see where police, they greet politicians, you'll be disappointed. You'll be disappointed. You know what I'm saying? This thing. If small child steal cell phone out of frustration, that child might decide to take a risk. If you come online, you see what people are passing through. Small children will tell you, say, Mama, they carry one of the small one. They hungry for 2 days. They never eat. The boy think of everything possible, but the only thing they can get is to steal. They have to go and take that risk because of the poverty in the government. Because this government, because what will they talk am? What will they talk am? I want to bring this issue to standard now so that people will understand what is going on. White is not our problem. White people is not our problem now. Especially now, in this our time, white is not our problem. Our problem is black, fellow black like us. We need to change the system. We need to change the system. We need to make it democracy. We are not a military regime. We need to make freedom of speech. We must allow people to speak. Everything must not be on secret. Anything that has to go with secret is secret. Anything that has to go with secret is secret. All these people keep everything on secret. They commit crime and get away with it. And that's it. I think we should protest. Please. Our presenters, we are supporting you guys heavily. You guys are making us proud. You guys are protesting. You guys are protesting. You guys are trying. You guys are trying. Please, Panala, I'll be your man till tomorrow. I will support you well. Yeah, I'll be a powerful for you doing very good. But I beg, make you tell them, make them they protest. You got a lot of fans. Tell them to protest. Because you know what I'm telling you this thing. Nigeria now the only country where they protest to. I hope you know about it. Nigeria not they protest. If they protest, army go carry gun, police go carry gun. The same police forget when they pull the uniform, it be like those people. The army forget when they pull the uniform, it be like those people. Something that you eat one hour and you not eat it the next 100 hours. So what is the need? This politician can only use you and drop you. Listen to me. You must understand that you will not be sacrificing your life for something that doesn't make sense. We vote to the end. They're supposed to serve the public. Not to just carry the money. But it might not make you listen to news. Now make you see what it go on. You go see money where they come from Nigeria. You go be like say, Buhari just to eat the money alone. Buhari not to eat the money alone, Baba. Buhari not to eat the money alone. Buhari not to eat the money alone. The people what will they send? Make we ask them what is going on. The senators, the House of Representatives, governors. You guys are trying, but at least you guys also try understand. Say amen. At least look at the issue of this guy for Festus for 774,000 jobs. When Senate say the guy did not pass through them. I say now wow for this country. Oh. According to little news when I gather. That job is even temporary. So inside this pandemic, when they went pay those people, whether at 10,000 naira, I've been at 20,000 naira. Now inside the senator also made them from inside they bring their own candidate. The one when they steal is not enough. The one when they want still give, when president order the minister, make sure say people get this job. Make sure say people eat food. Senator when still follow the guy dragon. Una not get shame. Una no get shame. I want you guys to just look around the world and see what is going on. Just those places where they go heap on money. Those places where they go abroad, go heap money. I want you guys to look how that country look like, and see if they carry their money, they come Nigeria, whether the country go do like that. Think of the poor. People need job. Please allow Buhari them. Allow that guy to give that job. Please, we are begging you guys. Please allow people to feed. Allow the poor to benefit small thing from the government. Let them feel that they are a Nigerian citizen. Which one? If they pass through you, now you go be senator, now you go be minister, now you go be president. I want me to understand them now. That is why we must keep protesting. The guy don't. Okay, look at that guy now. That guy bring that news now. Nobody say anything about it. The guy don't get any support. He will end up going to the senator. Senator will end up, the thing will end up media, news will enter that. The job will die. We are not happy about this thing. I want people to share this video. I want people to understand. It's not only about being scared. It's about the situation of the nation. Even till today, we never feel balanced electricity issue. Somewhere to get premium, somewhere to get it. So meaning that if you don't get money, you don't go get light, even light. Come on. There is no job in Nigeria. There is no job. Because there is no job. And there's no job because of this kind of, he must pass through senator, he must pass through minister, he must pass through House of Rep, he must pass through this, he must pass through this, he must pass through this. Before the form will go around all these places, it don't take 2 years, they don't share the money. Man, please, man. Thank you, children of God. So, man, please, sometimes if I'm talking, you look as if I'm upset. But at the end of the day, what I'm saying is truth. We need to work together. We need to stand up. We need to stand for our rights. We really need to. We have every reason to protest. We have every reasons to protest. We need to make Nigeria great. If we make Nigeria great, everyone will benefit from that. You guys are trying. Our leaders, you guys are trying. We didn't say you are not trying. But what we're saying is, let us work towards this corruption. So that let us bring development more into Nigeria. Please. Because especially, if you look at Nigeria, there are things we need to do there. If we put it together, work into corruption, increase our technology, this will go well. Increase our farming. So many people blame Buhari for banning some things they are important. They want to import everything. They want to ask people very few questions. Do you know that when you keep importing everything, you will not get a job? I want people to understand that you will not get a job, because don't forget that those things they are producing in that country and import it to your country. Their citizens are the one getting the job, producing it. You are just there, struggle. carry the money, go there, go purchase them. We need to rethink. We really have to. We really have to. We really have to. We really have to. We really have to rethink. We need to change the way things are being done in Nigeria. We need to change the way we are thinking. We need to replan. We need to replan. We should do peaceful protest. Don't forget that protest is the only way citizen can express his or her anger. Very peaceful way. Go through social media, so you see different protests in different countries. Very, very, very peaceful. I'm not talking about America crisis. That America issue is something. That one is a politics. They handle that issue. I'm talking about other countries. I want us to look into this Nigeria. Let us protest. Let us protest in some certain things, so that let us see how much government is making available. Let us see if it's Buhari eating the money, or is the governor eating the money, or if it might be it's your teacher eating the money. Never can tell. It might be. You might be blaming this one, but it end up being this one doing this thing. You might be thinking that it's Buhari. You might be thinking that is Okowa. You might be thinking that is this senator. You might be thinking is this minister. At the end of the day, it might be ordinary contractor. They give the 10. Contractor just spoil the business. You know the name. Because of the relationship where they get, they no fit. Arrest them. They can just spoil that business for them. So many of our leaders have good intention when they get to the power. But when they got to that power, too many pressure will come upon them. So when you protest, when we protest, they will now give them more courage to say no. People need this. People need this. I remember a governor who shed tears. There was a governor who shed tears. I think that was not sure, a few months ago. He said he can't believe that 5 years in power, he had never achieved history. I'm telling you the truth. I think he's the governor of Cross River State, if I'm not mistaken. I'm telling you. The guy has good intention. He has good intention. But because of one or two reasons. But when we protest, we give them more courage to say no to certain things. Protest is not a war. Protest is the only way that we can say, no, we don't want this. Protest is the only way we can say, no, we need light. Government will want this kind of thing. Because, listen, the government must understand that they need the citizens to form a government. Because if we say we don't want them, and we don't want them, because they cannot be we have our mind. We must understand. Let us support each other. Please, let us support those that are protesting. Let us support them. We are still here protesting. If whichever way you can be able to protest, whichever country you are, whatever thing you notice that is going wrong in Nigeria, speak out. Speak out. You have right to speak out. Speak out your mind. Speak out your mind. Fear, because if we keep saying leave Nigeria, some say Nigeria will not be better. Don't forget, you rain a curse in that country, which is very wrong. If we keep saying that Nigeria will never be good again, how can we be rain? But you see other countries where they finish to say, oh, God bless America. Why can't we say God bless Nigeria so that God will bless Nigeria? We keep using our tongue to say Nigeria will not be good, Nigeria will not be good. If we keep saying Nigeria will not be good, and it will not be good, we need to change the way we are saying things. We need to change the way we are saying things. We want our government to look into proper things. And we want government to look into freedom, full-time freedom, and stop arresting people or harassing people with police unnecessarily. So that people can be able to be free to speak out their mind. And I want to ask a question. Our Justice Department, what is going on? What is going on? I want to find out what kind of, because What kind of law are we using? That some people will commit crime and get away with it. No investigation. But only thing when EFCC know how to do is to hunt 419. But they don't want to hunt the main people inside that Abuja. Under their nose, under EFCC nose, somebody will carry a contract of 1 billion naira. And they abandon the project and still remain in that Abuja. EFCC will keep quiet. For what good reason? For what good reason? Is there anyone above the law? Because I want people to start sending petitions. People need to start sending petitions. People need to start writing. People need to start blogging. People need to wake up. We need to wake up. We need to say, yes, we need Nigeria to be good for Nigeria to be good. We must understand that there's no way we should wait for international community, wait for America, wait for London to come and fix Nigeria. Don't forget that they take Africans as a business. They only just come there to come and do their business. As UK is trying to pull from EU now, definitely they're coming to hunt Nigeria because that is one of their targets. Now they are losing Hong Kong to China. Don't forget they're coming to hunt Nigeria again, to come and hunt the business in Nigeria. We need to put it together. Our politicians are scared a lot to invest. They are scared a lot to build schools. They are scared a lot to I don't know what is wrong. I don't know what is wrong. We need a standard government. We need a standard government so that we can be able to give the upcoming youth hope. 2023, guys, what's up? 2023, my fellow Nigerians, what's up? People must tight up themselves. People must arrange themselves. We need to arrange ourselves. I want people to come up. You're free to send me your comments. I will post this thing on my Facebook account. Yeah, you get it on Facebook or YouTube. Yes. You go to Channel of Hope. You subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so that I'll be bringing good news. We'll be bringing good development in Nigeria. We are working heavily to bring something good will start happening in Nigeria now. Something good will start happening in Africa. Something good will start happening. President Ramaphosa is trying. The man is trying. He just is trying in AU. I thank all African leaders for their unity and support for each other this period of coronavirus. Yeah, we thank you. We thank you. May God bless Africa. May God bless Nigeria. May God bless Delta State. May God bless Abu. Thank you. Thank you.